In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the best beef spring roll. Here I have a spring roll wrap. I'm going to go around it with some egg wash. All this is personal preference. Here I have some spring roll mix already made up. Let's go ahead, tuck your finger in, roll, pull apart, then keep rolling. There you have your perfect spring roll. Now we're going to fry it. So make sure you have some perfectly hot oil. Place the spring roll in your oil. Ensure you give him a quick turn. Now your spring roll is ready. Remove from the oil.